Testing for COVID-19 is so important. Government and related stakeholders are working together the clock to establish programs that will ensure the access to the acceptance and rapid and reliable testing around the country. And testing can help people determine if they are infected with COVID-19 regardless of their have symptoms or not, and whether they are at risk at spreading the infections to others. And with a month, testing rate in Indonesia is always escalating. So let's see the data in the next graphic. Here is for your screen. We can see the COVID-19 testing in Indonesia. We can see that the trend is upward. We can see that in July 1st, 2021, the number of testing reaching 13.4 million testing. But however, in July 30, 2021, the trend was increasingly significant to be 17.7 million testings. And the COVID-19 task force report shows that the number of COVID-19 testing in Indonesia reaching 17.7 million as of July 30, 2021, and the number increased by 31.9% from 13.4 people on July 1st, 2021. And the number of daily COVID-19 tests had reached its highest during the pandemic. As much as 228,000 people were tested on July 22nd, 2021. However, the number of daily tests tended to decline again to 164,199 people as of July 30, 2021. But how about the average testing? Let's see the next graphic. So here it is for your screen. We can see average COVID-19 testing in Indonesia. The average one is 146,000 tests a day. However, it doesn't meet the government's expectations of 400,000 tests a day. Still far away, not even reach half of it again. And however, the average COVID-19 test in Indonesia is only 146,000 people a day during the period of July 1st up to the last. And the number of daily COVID-19 tests in Indonesia is actually still far from the Minister of the Health target of 400,000 people a day. A low test coverage could have an impact on unrecorded cases of COVID-19 transmission, and therefore the government needs to intensify the testing. The public is also advised to be disciplined in implementing the basic health protocol. But still, many people don't apply health protocol. Even the COVID-19 handling task force rebuked around 8.9 million people for failing to implement the health protocol from July 19 to 25 in 2021. And let's see the more specific data in the next graphic. Here it is for your screen. We can see by the region. And we can see that Bali has the most people that rebuked the law by 1.5 million people, and moved to West Java by 1.3 million people that rebuked the health protocol, and East Java by 1 billion people, Aceh by 0.5 people, and Banten by 0.46 people. And this is many of the people of 8.9 million people for failing to implement the health protocol from July 19 to 25, 2021. And based on the locations of the crowd itself, there were around 2.8 million people who were rebuked at the market, whereas 997,000 people were rebuked for violating 3M's health protocol in their office. And then 292,000 people were rebuked for violating health protocols in residential areas, and meanwhile 222,000 people were reprimanded for violating health protocols in the restaurants. And this is very bad since COVID-19 cases in Indonesia has no signs to stop yet. Let's see the trend in the next graphic. Here it is through your screen. We can see the trend of COVID-19 cases in Indonesia. The trend is increasing as well. By May 30th, there were 1.8 million cases so far, and June 30th by 2.2 million cases. In July 30th, which is the latest data, by 3.4 million cases. And the fact is that COVID-19 active cases in Indonesia are the highest in Asia. Indonesia is above Iran and India. And even the World All Matters page, Indonesia is in the first positions with 545,000 active cases, while in Iran is in the second place with 413,000 active cases. And one thing we know for sure that every single person can help our country control the pandemic. And from wearing a mask to washing your hands to maintaining physical distance and avoiding large indoor gatherings, each of us can follow proven public health practices that not only reduce our own chance of getting infected by COVID-19, but also prevent the spread of COVID-19 to our co-workers, friends, and loved ones. Another thing that will help is testing as many as people as possible. Stay tuned on Market Headlines.